James Duncan, BRX Show. How you doing, James?
My name is James Duncan, and this is my bike show. Start off at the top, we got the Animal Edmund De La Rosa grips, flanges, because flanges are gay. Fiend 8.75 chrome bars, and I got E-Clap burn stem. I need to tighten it more because it's loose. In chrome. Colt headset with retarded spacers. Fiend team forks. Some salt, like I don't even know. Salt plus Summit reel, and then I got Animal Tom Whitewall tires, 2.2s. They're really nice. And then fit the new Federal plastic pegs, 2 on the front. Moving down with the frame, Colt Butter 20.9 inch frame. It's nice. And then pedals, Odyssey Twisted PCs, best pedals I've ridden. And then for cranks, E-Clap Tibia 175s. They're a little longer than what I wanted. That's okay. And then I have the Colt 22mm bottom bracket. The new Federal Revolution sprocket, offside drive. Seat, lacy fat seat Federal. It's really nice. And then I got the Fiend post. Back wheel is a left-hand drive Salt with one Federal plastic peg on the back, and then Animal Tom Whitewall. No, Tom Whitewall 2.2 tire with a Colt chain. I'll do the hub sound.
Wow, that's pretty damn fast for a bike.
Yeah. Good done.
Sorry for the kid in the background.
Swaggin' Wagon 235.
That kid has no home.